What'd you do that for? You okay? Hey, are you okay? Apparently.
I tried to do African twin dirt nap. I was going to do something really cool and do like a power turn through here, and that didn't happen. Are you going to help me get my bike up?
Yeah, in case you guys get fooled by video distortion or any kind of trickery, this is a steep hill. I'm out of breath going up it, and it's wet because it's been raining non-stop for quite some time. Here we are. I think it might be raining actually right now.
How's my skid plate look?
Like it's being used the right way.
All right, I'm gonna pick this up. Are you ready?
You want me to help you?
No.
Go for it.
I did it myself. I'll get it up. All right, ready?
Nice. Made it look easy.
No damage.
Let me see. Oh, nice. Yeah, you're fine.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't want to get in the middle of where I have to stop right where I don't want to. Yeah. Do you feel like you're past the bad part? Okay. Oh, don't hit that rock. Oh. Which way are we going? Yeah. Oh, you're digging. You got a ways to go, dude. Okay, you made it. Your front wheel's gonna go into it though, right now. I did the same thing. Okay, I'm coming back. Oof. Go, V-Strom, go. Okay, I'm coming. Woo, dude, this is pretty gnarly. How did you get up there that far? Are you nervous? Dude, are you still going? Alright. How did you get up there so fast? You must have totally committed. Holy crap, dude. Oh, shit. Dude, V-Strom can't do this. What are you talking about? That's what they're gonna say. Hopefully an easier way we find, as they say. Dude, you're ripping this trail up though. I can't even catch you. Oh, dude. I'm gonna go look. Oh! It just stopped for a second. Okay.
Just keep, yeah, when you just go all the way through. Don't stop anywhere. Just stand on the bike if you have to. Lean back, let the front wheel go. I went on that left side. I just rolled right through it.
This looks good. A little tamer.
Got some pretty sharp ledges.
Yeah, this might have a nice little overlook though.
A little bit of water coming up. Not sure how.
I'm on your left. On your left still.
Oh, I see why this is probably. Okay, I'm going in. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Right behind you. Sorry, sorry. Oh, shoot. Ah, dang it. Yeah. It's pretty soft water, but you're fine.
Yep, if you can slow down just a touch and I'll catch up. Okay, I'm good, I'm rolling. Okay, keep on rolling. Don't turn, keep on going straight. Okay, I'm right behind you. If I can get rolling. All right, coming. Keep on going. You're good. I know it doesn't look like it, folks, but this is at least, I don't know, probably 35-degree angle, maybe 40. It's steep and it's slick. Can you do it? Nice. Okay, I lost my momentum. Oh, I'm good. That's a Mission Trail Max tire. It's a 2018 V-Stromer. Okay, I'm out. Just dragging tree leaves with me. I'm good. Looks like I shot the log out of the way. Oh my goodness. Oh no, that's a log. Oh, dude. Oh no, that's a log. Oh, dude. Scary. It's not a 40 foot.
That was fun. Okay, back to business.
Dude, that was kind of scary what you did over that log. You could have, your back tire could have gone straight sideways. That was good.
Well, thank you.
I was like fearless.
That was all the V-Strom, not me. Yeah, these pine cones, they're a little slippery on the Dunlops. Like as soon as you turn with your front wheel without taking the weight off of it, it's like it wants to just dive under you. It's also kind of hard to see because there's a lot of contrasting shadows.
Yeah.
But, and there's nothing new there, I guess. Are you still behind me?
Yeah, I'm right behind you. I'm good. Good, nice line. Whew. I could have got that on film. After all that, I crashed on that.
You okay?
Yeah.